Repetition is one of the most powerful concepts in programming. We've already seen how we can repeat rows in tables to echo all rows of data to a browser, and we use the while loop to do that. We'll now look at some other types of repetition. In every case, there is a sequence of code in braces called the braced code. While continues to execute the braced code if the condition is true. If the condition is true, then the braced code must change the condition, or the loop will execute indefinitely. Do while evaluates the condition at the end of the braced code rather than the beginning, so the braced code is guaranteed to execute at least once. For loops evaluate expression 1 exactly once at the start of execution. The braced code is executed only if expression 2 is true. If it's false, execution ends. At the end of each iteration, expression 3 is evaluated and can be used in the code. For each loops are used exclusively with array variables $. The $V variable represents the value of each member of the array, which can be used in the braced code. Notice that there is a link to the PHP manual for each of these, and I'd urge you to have a look at the formal definition, but pay particular attention to the many examples which follow those formal definitions. For each can also be used with a key so that you can use the array index in the code. The format of this is similar to before, array variable as, but then the key value, or the index of the array, is mapped on to the value of the array element. So the key values are Surrey, Victoria, Ohio, Manitoba, and the corresponding value values are England, Australia, etc. This example prints out $ARR, the key value in brackets, arrow, the value value.